What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at my house. We are framing my front deck today. We have all the materials stacked on the side yard. They have our compressor set up over there. We got some of our tools here, nails, whatnot, hangers and stuff, and we're pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna probably time lapse a lot of this video because it's pretty straightforward, but I will check in here and there and give you guys some updates. But I'm gonna set the camera up and get to work.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so all the framing is pretty much done. We got these two 6x6s in over here, the girder, all of the floor beams. We have one floor beam left over here to put in, which we're waiting on because the 6x6, if you see it, it's marked on the plate right there, goes down right where that post base is. And the floor beam is going to be cut short, kind of like we did over here, and it'll go right in to the end of the 6x6. So we held off on that because I need to run to Lowe's and get these new concrete anchors that Simpson came out with. They are called Titan HDs, and basically you drill a hole in your concrete and then you drill the anchor bolt right through your post base. There's a hole in the bottom there, and that locks it into the concrete rather than putting an anchor bolt like we did over here. We didn't put anchor bolts in this wall when we poured it, so we're pretty much left with either putting wedge anchors or these new Simpson Titans. So I'm gonna run to Lowe's and get them. I also have to stop and check on guys that are at a job right down the road, so I'm gonna do that. And then I also have to come back here and get all of these hangers on, which will take no time at all. I have a gun for the hanger nails, so basically the hangers all go like that. This one is a little different. We flattened this one because it's going into the side of the 6x6, but on this side you can see how it sits like that, and that'll go on every floor beam across the girder and across the plate up against the house. So I'm gonna run and grab what I need, get some lunch, and then when I'm back here, we will put all these hangers on. All right guys, I just got back here. I got all my tools set up. These are the Titan concrete anchors that I picked up. Basically a big bolt, and all you do is drill out your concrete. Surprisingly, they want you to drill a 1/2 inch hole with 1/2 inch Titan bolts. So I thought it would be a slightly smaller hole, but that's what it says, so that's what we're going to do. I'm not doing that currently, I'm just showing you guys this. Right now I am about to get all of these hangers on, which I showed you before. I have a ton of them here. I think I have like 40 of them. So got to get all of them done. I got our hanger gun here. This makes it so much easier rather than hand nailing them. These are the nails that come on little strips. It's a little difficult one-handed. 1 second here. Let's see. Basically all you do is you put it in there. Come on. Pull that back, slide it forward. Oh, I got too many. It doesn't fit. Let's rip that a little bit. Rip it in half. You need this piece back here. Keep pressure on it forward. And that's it. Throw the air hose on. Go to town. Something's up with the gun. Something's up with the gun. It's weird. It's like the piece that shoots forward is not going back all the way. Yeah, look at this. I don't know why it's doing this. This piece right here is getting, let me take the air off that before I put a nail in my hand. This piece, which, let's get the nails out of there. Come on. Get them out. Let's get these other nails out. Sit on that for a second. I gotta figure this out. I don't know why. I don't know why that's doing that. I don't know why that's doing that. How do you adjust that? How do you adjust that? Oh, that's gonna be an issue. Let me get one nail. See if I can push it back. Let's see. It's like it's not going back far enough. This nail is supposed to sit a little bit farther up. Come on. Let me see if I can find something to push that with. Don't think I have. Oh, this might work actually. A little piece of wood here. Let's see. There we go. So now you can see the nail is a bit farther up. I'm gonna try it again. Hopefully this doesn't keep happening, because that's gonna really slow me down if it does. Let's see. Yeah, it's doing it every time. It's doing it every time. Now this thing is stuck out again. Kind of dangerous because, well, I guess you can't shoot a nail if that's out, but I also don't want to put a nail into my hand. All right, so I set it to 95 psi. Let me reset this again. Push this thing back. It's got to be like a slide. I don't know what the exact name is but that's pretty much what it is. So we set it to 95. Put the hose. Let's see what happens. Try a different one real quick. Not enough. And the slide is still staying out. Well, I don't know what to do. I don't know if you guys could see before. Whoa, let's see. But basically this metal piece here, which is right in front of the nail, I don't know how well you can see that. Let me get it in the sun here. So this metal piece here, you'll see it move, and now it's gone because I pushed it down in there. But that's what hits the nail and shoots the nail out. So after it shoots the nail, it's supposed to go back in, let the nail slide forward, which is what this piece does. This keeps pressure on the nails and keeps them moving forward. But if that's blocking it, there's nowhere for them to go. So every single nail I have to pull out. And also I just lowered the air pressure and it didn't shoot the nail in all the way. So that nail is pretty far out. Obviously not gonna work. I'm gonna grab my hammer and hit that one in, but I gotta figure out what's going on with this gun and hopefully get it to work. All right guys, so I had no luck. I've tried everything I could. This slide piece just keeps getting stuck and I don't have any WD-40 or anything here, so unfortunately I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. I'm pretty much cleaning up my stuff. Also, it's weird that it says don't exceed 100 psi because another nail, come on, another nail didn't go all the way in. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. I am going to get cleaned up. I just got a call that I have to go and get something for the plumber who is on the addition and remodel job, so hopefully he can get that buttoned up today. But I guess once I figure out what's up with this gun, or I get some WD-40 and try and fix it, we will get all these hangers on. But either way, if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.